नाजरीन, वजीर आजम इमरान खान ने कश्मीरियों का सफीर बनते हुए मकबूजा आबादी में जारी भारतीय मजालिम के खिलाफ दुनिया भर में आवाज उठा दी।
इस्लामिक सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका से एक वीडियो लिंक पर खिताब करते हुए इमरान खान ने कहा कि मकबूजा कश्मीर के अवाम 4 हफ्ते से लॉकडाउन का शिकार है।
अवाम तिब्बी सहूलियात से महरूम और कम्युनिकेशन का निजाम मुअत्तल है।
मकबूजा कश्मीर की क़यादत ज़ेर हिरासत, जबकि हजारों नौजवानों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है।
इमरान खान ने वाजे किया कि मोदी सरकार ने आजाद कश्मीर में कोई हरकत की तो उसका भरपूर जवाब दिया जाएगा।
दुनिया खबरदार है क्योंकि जनूबी एशिया में 2 एटमी ताकतें आमने सामने हैं।
We have to de-link terrorism with Islam. Terrorism has nothing to do with Islam or any other religion. The Hindu Tamil Tigers before 9/11 were responsible for 70% of suicide attacks. But no one blamed Hinduism for it. So terrorism has nothing to do with religion. It has to be de-linked. The BJP government's stated aim is that they want to change the demography, change a Muslim majority province into a Muslim minority province. It's 26 days the people of Kashmir are under curfew. They have shut out all media, all internet, no news is coming out of there. We believe that there is what is happening in Kashmir is that RSS goons have been let loose amongst the population. We believe people are being picked up. What reports are coming out? Boys are being picked up. They go into houses and pick up boys. 8,000 people so far have been put in prison. 4,000 people have been taken out of Kashmir. All their leaders have been put under arrest. People in India who are intelligent, educated, who believed in the Gandhi and Nehru secular values do not agree with it. But there's an atmosphere of fear in India, especially after BJP won its second election. And he believed that Muslims would not get equal rights to citizenship in India was because he saw this ideology. We believe that as they did in February, they will do some sort of an action, an attack in Pakistan. If a similar sort of attack happens, Pakistan will retaliate. We again, I repeat, and 2 nuclear armed countries face to face. That is why it is important for ISNA to play its role.